Hey, YouTube family. How are all of you tonight? Oh, this isn't YouTube family. This is Facebook family. I'm sorry. If you're tuning in on Facebook, do me a favor, and on YouTube, if you're watching on Andrea Cox TV, hit the like button on the video. It actually increases the algorithms. It gets this video shared, and it just makes it a whole heck of a lot easier for me. Hey, Gordon. Hey, Gilbert. Hey, Tori. Tori, happy dance. I love Tori. Hey, Jenny, how are you? So you guys hit the like button to increase our algorithm. That way I see more of your stuff, you see more of my stuff. As you come on here, I'm gonna make sure this is turned up. So if I have 20 of you on, I should see 20 thumbs up. I've got an awesome little show for you tonight. I thought, because you guys liked my crystal post earlier, I thought I would share with you like 10 tips on how to make your home into a healthy sanctuary. So let me grab my phone real quick. That is not a way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary. And I am going to post a little heart under this video so you guys know I am live. So we have 22 of you on. I should see 22 thumbs up. And I'm also live on YouTube, and Super Chats is open on YouTube. Can you guys hear me? I hope so. Okay. Hey, Stephen. Hey, Gideon. Hey, can't pronounce your name. Hey, Kenny. Hey, Joey. Hey, Arturo. Hey, Tori. Hey, Victor. Okay, so let's just say 10 tips, and I hope I make it to 10 tips on how to make your home into a really healthy sanctuary. So tip number one would be plants. And I'm not talking about like the fake plants. This is actually a money tree. It's supposed to bring in money into the house. Well, actually, yeah, it has worked. Got this a week ago and it has worked. Yeah, this has actually worked. But don't let that deter you from sending a super chat on YouTube, okay? For those of you who don't know, on Facebook, super chats is where they donate to your channel. It's a beautiful thing YouTube has started. Okay, so plants. Plants actually bring oxygen into the home. They also, liven up the place with nature, bringing the outdoors in. So when you walk in my house, there's a ton of plants. I've also got like this long stick I found on the beach that everyone's like, where did you buy that at? And I'm like, when I was walking on the beach. So, bringing the outdoors in is an excellent way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary. Tip number two. Never clean your house with anything other than organic products, or make your own products out of things like lemon juice, water, and essential oils. So cleaning products need to be all natural in your home. No one likes to walk in a home and smell cleaning chemicals. I get really allergy ridden if I walk into a home and smell cleaning chemicals. Now, Method, I've got Method for my furniture polish cleaner. It's actually not the best. It's rated pretty high still on the toxicity scale, and it's organic. It says surface safe, non-toxic, it's organic, but still not my favorite brand, but I just grabbed a little something. Whoever is messaging me while I'm doing a live video, you'll be blocked as soon as this is over. Okay, let's move right along. So another way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary is to open all the windows. So I've got some windows that don't open in my kitchen, and then I've got big windows and big bay doors that do open. So I always have those windows open, even in the wintertime, probably because I live in Southern California, and you can actually open the windows in the wintertime. So that's an excellent way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary. Now, tip number, where are we at? 4. Always have rock salt. Crystal sea salt. This is a great brand, Miracle Sea Salt Company, to take baths in. I love to take sage baths and crystal rock salt baths, and there was a period of time where my bath was broke, and finally I broke down and looked it up on the internet and fixed the bathtub myself, went and bought the parts because I couldn't stand missing my baths. So, you know, having this to soak in, soaking in fresh sage is a wonderful way to cleanse your energy. It also leaves the bathtub really super clean. You just rinse it out, and it's just like the salt does a wonderful way of cleaning your bath, just like it does for your teeth if you rinse with salt water. Okay, so tip number 5, which I absolutely love, is essential oils. So I've got this little thing right here full of different essential oils. There's 2 ways I like to burn essential oils. One, in an essential oil burner, I'll just like unplug it. Let you guys see it real quick. Of course, I tucked it in. So this is a real pretty one, you know. I mean, it was like 60 bucks, but you can, I've had them where I've gotten them for free before, and they're nice, you know, and all you do is fill it with water, and you put a couple drops of essential oils in. This is Release by Young Living. You plug it in, and the heat of the light and the boiling of the water actually spews the essential oil out. So I'm gonna plug it back in. There. That's an excellent way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary. Breathing in things like eucalyptus if your children have allergies, or lemongrass is great for depression, great for anxiety. What else? Frankincense has a calming effect. Lavender, ylang ylang, have a calming effect. Those are great to put in your bedroom before you go to sleep. So what else? Aloe vera. There's so many essential oils you can use. So that's just a really nice thing. A lot of times in the wintertime, I'll do cinnamon essential oil, and people are like, what are you cooking? I'm like, nothing. So that's a great way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary. Now, another way I love to burn essential oils, and you can see I do this a lot. So I've got some essential oils in the top here, and then you can see I don't have it lit, but just simply putting a candle under there, lighting it, that's an excellent way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary. Smell, you really just want to focus on all the senses, like, you know, you can see plants and things from the outdoors, you can smell essential oils, you can touch things like throws and things like that. Okay, so what do we have next? So the 6th way I love to make my home into a healthy sanctuary is I love burning sage and Palo Santo. Now, sage is to get out negative energy out of your home. I usually sage on one day and Palo Santo like a week later. And Palo Santo, you can see I'm burning it in this beautiful shell type thing. You want to put some salt or some sand in the bottom of here, or else this burns. It actually burns the shell, and it won't burn the stick. So see how I can just stick them up like that? So I like to leave these burned, and you'll notice with Palo Santo, once you catch it on fire, if your house is pretty energetically clean, it won't burn for very long. A few seconds, maybe a minute. So that's a way to see. Okay, see, I've got it on fire, but I bet you by the end of this video it'll stop burning, because I do this to my house all the time. So that's another excellent way to make your home into a sanctuary. Now, the other thing, so burning sage, burning Palo Santo. Tip number 7, I believe. Salt lamps. So you can see I have a salt lamp here. The thing about salt lamps is you want to leave them plugged in all the time, even when you go on vacation. You don't want to ever unplug the salt lamp. The salt lamp is, it draws toxins out of the air to it. So if you ever turn your salt lamp off, it'll get real sticky. It'll almost like feel like it's melting, and then you'll see all this dirt on it because it draws dirt and toxins out of the air. Salt lamps are excellent to have next to your bed because they help you sleep. They're also amazing, amazing to purify the air if you have allergies. So I love salt lamps. I actually just got a 350-pound salt lamp. I did not want to carry it in here. That wasn't going to happen. But that's another way to just totally cleanse the air. I have one in every room, including the bathrooms. I used to not, but I'm up to speed. I think there's 2 more rooms that need salt lamps. So excellent to have all over the house. I really like the shape of this one. I don't like the plain ones very well, even though my big one is a plain one. Oh well. Okay, so another way to make your home into a sanctuary is through using crystals. I think this is tip number 8. So I've got a ton of crystals. I showed you guys yesterday that I went crystal shopping. First of all, what I like to do is I like to make these little positive energy bowls, and they're in every room of the house. Here's a feather that I found in the parking lot of the gym. May seem disgusting to you, but feathers are actually a good omen depending on what color they are, white, gray, black, whatever. Feathers are an excellent omen. They're good luck. So I have lots of little bowls around the house with different kind of stones in them. Here I've got a rose quartz, I've got a fluorite, I've got a bunch of other stones, and I just stick them, I try to stick them in the corners of the house to bring in the positive energy flow. I feel like, you know, stagnant energy is always in the corners of homes, especially if there's no window over there. A lot of times when I sage my house, I'll clap 3 times in the corner of my house, and I know that sounds cheesy, but it actually brings in a lot. It moves the energy is what it does. So these are wonderful to have. You don't have to have a lot of money. Crystals are expensive, but save up over time. I once had all my crystals stolen in a robbery in Berkeley. I had them in my purse in a sachet. I don't know why I was traveling with them, but I was, and I was so pissed off. But what I learned is that if your crystals leave you, you are on to learning a new lesson, and you don't need to learn that lesson anymore. Thanks for hitting the thumbs up button, the like button as you guys come on here, you guys. And Super Chats is open on YouTube, and if you've already sent me one there, thank you. I'm gonna cross over and look at that shortly. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce you to a couple of crystals that I love and talk about the energy they bring. So here we've got an amethyst. I picked this up yesterday. It was super cheap. Thank you to the Crystal Cove. They really took care of me. So this is an amethyst, and amethyst just brings really, it protects your energy and it brings in positive energy. So it's more of a protectant stone. So I like to have this by the front door. Now, selenite, this is a selenite stick. This is good to charge your other crystals. For example, if I wanted to cleanse my crystals, I would put them on a selenite, because a selenite or a clear quartz crystal actually cleanses other crystals. All of the clear ones do. This is also excellent to make your water higher vibrational water. I actually shot a YouTube video on that a couple weeks ago, so you might want to check that out. But this is excellent to have around. Sometimes I sleep with this. If I've had a rough day and I'm like, oh my God, I need to clear my energy, I'll just sleep with it. And that's okay, you know, you do what you have to do. Rose quartz is one I always have near my bed because it's kind of a motherly, feminine energy, and I'm a mama's girl, so I always like having my rose quartz. I wear this one on my neck, and this is because I'm gonna start living life again. I just started living life again, and I had taken a year of kind of hermit mode, so this is really good, this brownstone, and I can't think of what it's called. It might be moldavite, but I'm not sure. That could be wrong. This is good to get your fiery nature back up, and it is working. This is an excellent stone to make money. So I put this next to my computer. It's an excellent stone to bring in abundance and wealth. So stones are all over. I spread them out. I don't have them in one place. I have them in my window seal of my bay window down here, on my kitchen table, on the dining room table, in the front entrance, next to my bed. They're everywhere. So I even have them in my bathroom. I don't know what this stone is that I picked up yesterday, so if someone could tell me in the description box its healing properties, I would love that. Okay, so the ninth way to make your home into a healthy sanctuary is incense. So, you know, say you have like a spider problem or a bug problem, I would use patchouli incense. This one's all natural, organic. I used to get allergic reactions to incense, but I don't anymore. This one, the girls at Crystal Cave made special for me to get rid of any like hexes or anything like that that people would, you know, happen to want to put on me. I don't think, knock on wood, I don't think anyone is strong enough to do that to me because I'm pretty powerful in that department. So this gets rid of that. It protects my home. It protects my energy. That's what this one is. I have no idea. She made it herself. I have no idea what is in this, but I burnt one last night and I instantly felt like relieved of any like negative energy that, you know, maybe my home or my clothes or anything like that were carrying. So that is it, and that is all, folks. I wanted to share this video with you. Thank you so much for sharing this video, for hitting the like button, for connecting with me on all of my social media. If you are on Instagram, it is Raw Chef Andrea. If you are on Twitter, it is Raw Chef Andrea. If you are on YouTube for my health and detox channel, it is Andrea Cox TV. Please subscribe. We have over 3 million views, and I think we're headed towards 18,000 subscribers there. If you want access to my spiritual channel, it is the Detox Intuitive on YouTube. If you are watching this on YouTube right now and you want to find me on Facebook, it's Andrea Lee, L-E-I-G-H, Cox, and it's spelled just like it sounds, A-N-D-R-E-A. Okay, thanks so much, you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope I didn't, oh, sorry. This is so pretty. This is a white calcite. And I have no idea what its properties are, but I have 3 because I thought it was pretty. I probably have more than 3. It's different than the other white one. And then tip number 10, sorry. These candles by Aloha Bay, somebody contact Aloha Bay and have them send me some more candles, please. This is the love candle. I like the money candle and the abundance candle. I like the health candle, the healing candle, the protection candle. So check out Aloha Bay for all their candles and goodies. Get yourself a money tree, some salt lamps, and some crystals, and really ground your energy and really raise the vibration of your home. You know, our issues live inside our tissues. So as we cleanse our bodies, we need to cleanse our homes. Last tip, almost forgot. Oh my God, and I did this week. I had the Salvation Army come out this week. They have been out every single week for 2 months. And I've been getting rid of bags of clothing, boxes of knickknacks and things that do not serve me anymore. And the emptier the house looks, the less stress I feel in my body when I wake up in the morning, and I'm not kidding, and the easier it is for me to let go of things. So definitely rid your home, your car, your everything, just your body, of anything you do not need. Your life, your mind, rid it of anything you do not need that no longer serves your highest good. Okay, thanks so much. Have a beautiful day. Okay, bye. Happy, happy dance. Oh, I didn't end this right.